You want to support me? Go to Nene Marie 37 on IG and purchase a signed copy of my book. That's how you support me. Make sure you smash that like button. Go right now and follow me on TikTok at Trenches News 3837. That's my only TikTok. Yo, it's your boy Trenches News, and I'm back at y'all with another one. Appreciate all love support. Thanks for everyone who subscribed to the channel. If you ain't subbed to my channel, make sure you do. Make sure you join the membership. Shout out to all my mods. If you ain't follow my mods, you can follow their ads at the end of the video. Remember, if you got anything extra, I said extra, not food, hygiene, clothes, bag it up, take it outside, and give it to the less fortunate. Remember, we all one step away from being homeless. I don't care how much money you got or you think you got. Mother Nature could come and destroy everything, and now you homeless. So make sure you get back. With that being said, let's say the kids, the women, the elderly, the neutrons, and the civilians. It's Tuesday, y'all. Make sure you keep your head on the swivel. Remember, CPD can't save you or your local police department, so make sure you know where your kids are and your surroundings. If you got kids out there, nieces, nephews, claiming hats, dissing the dead, woofing on the internet, make sure you get life insurance on them so you can bury them properly and won't have to go fund me. All right, y'all, I got two stories for y'all. First story, we talking about Lil Durk and his bail package that was denied. Now, a judge came out and spoke on Lil Durk and basically saying that Lil Durk is in jail because for being cheap. He in jail because the feds wanted all his money. So we talking about that. And we talking about YNW Melly says that his lawyers fumbled his bond, his bail. Make sure y'all smash that like button so this video get around. If you got Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, Twitch, Facebook Market, Bazoo, hook it up and smash that like button. All right, so first story we talking about is Lil Durk and his murder for hire case in California. Lil Durk is being accused of being a mastermind. They saying that Lil Durk pulled all the strings and everything. At first, the Fed said that Lil Durk had paid for it. But then they superseded him and said that OTF Didi and they saying that OTF Vonnie had paid the people, but through Lil Durk direction. So Lil Durk went and he been fighting for this bond. I ain't gonna lie, Drew Finland, he been fighting, but hey, you got to fight against the government, man, and that's a hard fight. So Lil Durk put in bond after bond after bond. They denied it. Drew somehow got it again. They superseded. That's how Lil Durk ended up getting another chance because they had to drop out things and put in things. You know, they dropped out the lyrics out the first indictment, and then they superseded them, which saying that Lil Durk, he didn't pay for it. They saying that Didi and them paid it, but with the instructions of him. So at this bond hearing, Didi had joined on with him. And when Didi joined on with him, it looked bad, man, because now they got to read, the judge got to hear what your involvement is in the case. So Lil Durk had put up this bail package of $4.5 million to $5 million in property and money. And the judge said, nah, that ain't going to guarantee that you make it back here, sir, you know. And I'm surprised that Lil Durk didn't go all in on it because, you know, just like P. Diddy offered $50 million and he ain't get out. But the judge was rocking with Lil Durk because he was saying that the feds, they still ain't showing no evidence. And the judge said that what if OTF Didi them did it out of Phantom and went down there to kill them people on their own, you know, without Lil Durk knowledge. So I'm asking y'all to show the evidence. Now, the feds did say that in document 116, that's in the Marley and AJ case, which is still sealed, they said that would prove that Lil Durk involvement. So I don't know what people talking about with the other case that's going on. That transcript was from way before Lil Durk even was mentioned in anything, even in this murder for hire. So a judge had spoke out about it. He said he seen it on YouTube or through the internet, and he had to speak on Lil Durk. So we're going to take a listen to what he say, and then we're going to come back to y'all.
Lil Durk, or Lil Durk as they call him. I wanted to put up this picture because it's an example of the legal matrix. I talk about it all the time. Look, when you decide to go against the law, when you decide to break the law, the legal matrix will take control of your life, and you don't control anything. So here we have it. I'm not talking about his charges. I'm not talking about whether he's guilty or innocent. All I know is he's currently incarcerated, and he cannot get a bond because the judge is saying he would possibly have to relinquish everything. Imagine that. A judge having the power to tell you you have to get rid of your assets, your future earnings, everything you own, simply to be let out on a bond or bail. That's ridiculous. But guess what? That is the legal matrix, and that's why you have to avoid it at all costs. And it's coming from a judge. But I want you to win, so take care.
Yeah, but Drew them, they can go to a higher court. They can go to a higher court. But the higher court gonna shoot it down too now. I think the higher court gonna shoot it down. The higher court ain't trying to let him out, especially for a murder for hire. So I don't think they're gonna let him out. I think Lil Durk gonna be fighting this. and either he gonna walk up out the courtroom when the jury say not guilty or guilty, and he'll be in there for the rest of his life if they say guilty, man. But y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think about this situation with Lil Durk and what the judge said. Hey, next we got YNW Melly. He being accused of killing two of his friends. His other friend was riding around with the bodies in and out of it for an hour or two. Man, it's just all crazy. Now, they got YNW Melly on video getting in the car with these guys, but I don't know the rest of the footage, where the rest of the footage at. I heard his rappy, YNW Borland or something like that. He had admitted to he was driving around with the bodies. They tried to say that it was the ops shooting at them, but they did forensics, and it was like, nah, the bullets came from inside. Being accused of killing your friends is lame. That means we don't have a chance if we get into an argument with you as anybody, a regular person. So, him being in jail, it really don't matter to me, man. But his mom has said that he could have got bond. It's all because of his lawyer. Let's check this out, and then I'm going to be back to you.
I know everybody has a lot of questions about what's all over the blogs. Yeah, I need Brad to really talk to Trump, or I'm going to try to make a petition. I'm going to be working with somebody to help set up a protest. I'm a little emotional because I just found out, when all of you just found out, about his trial being delayed to 2026, I guess. I haven't been on my phone for real. I just seen this now, and I've been trying to call his lawyers and get an update and see what's going on. But the thing is, his female attorney is not talking to me because I told her she dropped the ball and messed up the bond hearing. And I guess because of that, they are not communicating with me. So I don't know what's going on in his case. And Jamil still has no phone calls, and he has no communication whatsoever. And I'm sure he doesn't know that I don't know what decisions they're making and things that they're doing. I'm sure that he would have got bond if the bond hearing was handled correctly. Had a lot of time. And Broward is the type of place that they don't care if it's wrong or right. They don't want
to lose. Look like Melly will be in jail until 2026, his trial. Well, most likely he'll be found guilty, man. He been in there for a long time with no phone calls. I ain't never seen that one. I thought you at least you was guaranteed a 15-minute phone call. But whatever his case got going on, he can't get no phone call. Only thing he could do is books. He can't get no visits. Mama said she ain't spoke to him in yonder. It's crazy, man. But it's when you do things like that, man, just like the judge said, it's the rules, man. Like, you gotta abide by the rules, man. That this what you would be going through. But yeah, condolences to all parties in this subject matter. I don't know what was going on. They said the one friend, he was sleeping with the mother. Then I seen other comments where he was beating him and taking his money, basically bullying him. And then he killed him for that. But I don't know. But y'all get in the comments and let me know. If y'all from down there where they from, let me know what happened down there, in the comments, Hey, last but not least, we got DCG Sean. He got 3 years in prison for the switch he got caught with. He'll be back next year, 2026, on parole, man. So that's what I got for him, man. I seen people sharing it to me. Y'all get in the comments. I will be going live tonight, so make sure y'all there, man. Smash that like button. Make sure y'all go and check out Made Media Magazine page. He got my latest interview over there. So make sure y'all go and subscribe to his channel and the Mod Squad and all my mods, man. Make sure y'all follow my wrenches and whatever they got going on, they content, they gaming, like Savage Black Key Game. Make sure y'all go and support his gaming if you're a gamer. Be safe, man. It's hot outside. It's real hot, man. And once it get hot, the ninja get shot. Watch who you talking about, your homies now. I'm going out to kick it. Hey, somebody don't end up going back. I seen a girl stand in front of a car, get ran over by her friend. She was twerking, thought she was celebrating, man. And her friend ran over and told her mama that she ain't seen her. She don't know what happened to her, man. Whole time she done ran over, man. So make sure you're aware. Hey, my man is my nine. Let's say the kids.